closing is fast approaching, and now you are scheduled to do a final walkthrough with the builder. Wait a minute, what is a final walkthrough? We'll just talk about it today. So the final walkthrough, especially on a new home, provides the home buyers with the opportunity to get to know the property they are buying and see if there are any repairs that need to be made in order for the home to be moving ready. Usually the home buyers and the builder will meet that day and they will walk through the entire house from the inside out. So we are here doing a walkthrough of the outside and covering everything pretty much from the property line to the dates they have to water their plants. And so we will be reviewing everything pretty much from the outside to the inside. Think about this walkthrough as an inspection for the buyers to do on their home. Yes, you have an opportunity to do a professional inspection of the home, but this is for the buyers. The buyers will have an opportunity to make sure everything in the house is in good working orders. Since the builder will walk the house outside and inside, it will take some time to do this final walkthrough. It's a very thorough process. Expect to walk the home outside first, or well, it depends. Some builders walk the inside first and then some do the outside afterwards. So this is the things that you can expect while doing this final walkthrough. If the builders decide to start outside, you can expect to check pretty much all the surrounding areas of the property. You will check where your meters are, your sewer line starts. You will see pretty much everything. So come prepared. If you are good at taking notes, please bring a notepad so you can take notes about this important aspect of the home. If you see these stakes, that means the property lines gets all the way up to here. And it continues all the way there where the other stake is, and that's how deep the property line gets. They are supposed to have like a small track for people to walk around the pond. They have a nice view. So right now we are reviewing the back of the house, what's in it, the windows, and all that fun stuff. So let's keep going. It's like going to school when you need to learn everything about your brand new house. You're meeting the house, you're walking it, all the gadgets and all the fun stuff. So we're heading close to go inside and start reviewing everything that's in there. So the builder will typically have like a checklist that they go through while they do the final walkthrough, but you can also bring your own checklist and your own questions about the home. For example, if you have particular questions about the appliances, if it is a smart home, how does this home work? How to turn on the AC and So you will want to look for damages. What are these damages? Any cracks on the walls or in the ceilings? If there's anything that's peeled from the paint, sometimes the builders need to do a lot of touch-ups of the paintings because they are still working on the home. So just make sure that you let your builder know if there are any cracks, any peels of the walls, any doors, even in the closets that are not properly painted. They will do this for you so that once you move in the house, you don't have to think about doing all of this afterwards. So make sure you do your own test. Yes, the builder will do it along the way as well, but make sure that you turn on and you test all the appliances, that you turn on the faucets, and that you see the water draining from each of these. Check for the temperature of the home. If it is too cold or if it is too warm, that you can make sure that the AC is in good working order. When I first bought my house, my new construction home, the AC wasn't working properly, and so that actually kind of like delayed the process for us to close. Ta-da! Even though the builder will have the house professionally cleaned, if you see anything that has dust that is not properly cleaned, let the builder know so that they make sure that it is clean prior to you closing. If you hire a professional inspector for an inspection of the property while he was building, please bring some of the things that came up or showed up in the report, if any, and so that you discuss it with the builder and make sure that those items were completed prior to your closing date. Of course, you always have a warranty, and if there is something that was missed by any chance and that needs to be completed, you can let your builder know about this, and they will make sure to complete it with the warranty.
Down for a couple seconds, we'll get the pressure going. Get some pressure, just stay it down. You take your shower. You can adjust all your texture and shower head.
Be afraid to ask any questions about your new home. Remember, it's a new home. You don't know it yet, and so if there are any new features that you are not used to having, make sure you ask all the questions. Do not be afraid. Come prepared. Take notes, take pictures or videos if you need some guidance. I've seen a lot of the home buyers that they do not know how to replace a filter, and so what they do is just they grab their phone, take a picture, and any information that they seem to have like, oh, I didn't think about this, or let me know how to do it, they will record it, and that way they will have a source to go back and look if they need to do, something. Last but not least, take your time. This is not a process that you can rush to, because it's important that you go through pretty much everything in the house, that you cover all the bases, and that way you can discover some of the things that need to be repaired before you're closing. Yes, the walkthrough takes some time. It can take from 1 hour up to 3 hours, depending on how much you cover that day. So come prepared, enjoy the process, and if you have questions, do not hesitate to ask the builder about your new home. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please like if you found this information useful. Please watch our next video.